Renewing your cover is a really good one. So, with most things financial planning wise, financial planning is not an event, it's a process. So it's not a one and done activity. All of your planning needs to be reviewed in the light of changes to both you and your family circumstances and to the law, tax, legislation, product changes, etc. And insurance is no different. So, if any of these big events happen, you get married, you get divorced, you have a baby, your kids grow up and leave home, you buy a home, take out a big mortgage, you change jobs or careers, all of those things are triggers to review your policy. And the thing a lot of people forget about doing this in a timely fashion is that many policies include the ability to increase your cover without any medical tests when some of these events happen. So if you take out a mortgage, you get a promotion, you get a pay rise, you get married. Many policies, it does vary from policy to policy, but many of them have the ability within a relatively short window to increase your cover when one of these events happen without going through medical underwriting, which can be great if your health's deteriorated since you started the policy. Definitely review it when your policy renewal comes through. Again, part of the advantage of having an ongoing relationship with a financial advisor, that when your renewal comes through, it'll almost always include a CPI adjustment. And this year that was quite big because inflation was 7% for the financial year. And so most policy renewals came through with a big step up. And not many people's pay kept up with inflation. So in many cases, that renewal was for more insurance than they need. So always good to review it at the time of renewal, and definitely when any of these events happen. So if any of these things happen, get married, get divorced, have a baby, buy a house, get a pay rise, change jobs, there are always good occasions to review it. And sometimes that window is really short, like as little as 60 or 90 days. So get in there quickly.